Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivarada.
Gopijana Balaba Girivaradari.
Yasodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana.
Yasudanandana Rajajana Ranjana.
Yasodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana.
Yasudanandana Rajajana Ranjana.
Yamunatira Vanachari.
Yamunatira Banachari.
Yamunatira Vanachari.
Yamunatira Banachari.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Hari
Hare,
Hari Hari
Hare Rama,
Ram
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama Rama Hari
Hare
Hari Hari Krishna Hari
Krishna,
Krishna 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 Hari Hari Hari
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Hari
Hare Rama,
Rama
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 Rama,
Rama
Hare Hare.
Hari
Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Radhe. Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Radhe. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada
Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya
Jaya Prabhupada.
Prabhupada.
Namo Om
Namo Om
Vishnupadaya
Vishnupadaya
Krishna Prestaya Bhutale
Krishna Pristaya Bhutali
Srimati Bhakti Vedanta
Srimati Bhakti Vedanta
Swamin iti namine.
Samin Itinamini
Namaste Saraswate Deve
Namaste Sarasvati Deve
Gauravani Pracharini
Gauravani Pracharini
Nirvisesa Sunyavadi
Nirbhisisa Sunyavadi
Paschatya Desatarini.
Prastachari Pracharini
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya
Om Agyanatimirandasya Jananjana Salakaya Chaksharunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri
Tasmai Sri
Gurave Namah.
Gurave Nama
Sri Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Kavitam
Manabhishtam
Yena Bhutale
Nila Bhutali
Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam
Yamrupa Kadamayam Dadati
Padantikam
Syapadantikam
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam
Rupam
Sagrajata
Sagrajatam Sahagana
Sagana Raguna
Raghuamatan Bitam Tam Sajivam
Sadvaitam
Vetam
Savitam
Sadvaitam
Parijana Saitam
Sutam
Krishna
Parijana
Chaitanya Deva
Sivam
Sri
Sri
Radha
Radha
Krishna
Krishna
Padan
Pada
Sahagana Lalita
Sahagana
Sri
Lalita Sri
Sakanditansa.
Chanditam Cha
He Krishna Karuna Sindho Dinabandho Jagatpate
Gopisa
Gopesa
Gopika
Gopika
Kanta
Kanta Radha Kanta
Radha Kanta
Namaste
Namastuti
Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisabhanusute Devi Pranam Hari Priya
Hari Privi
Avancha Kalpa Taru Yeshta Kripa Sindhu Vyayevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo Namo
Vaishnavina
Namaha.
Namo Namaha
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Nityananda, Sri Advaita
Advaita
Gadadara,
Gadadara Srivasadi
Sri Vasadi Gaura
Gaurabhakta
Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama
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 Rama,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare. Hmm. Okay, so now continue to text
What
19.
number are we now?
19. 19.
19, yeah. 19.
Yatha dipo nivastasto
Yatadipu nivatastu
ningate sopamasmrita
nyangati supama smrita
yogino yata chittasya
yogina yata chitasya
yunjate yogam atmanaha
yanjatu yogam atmanaha
yata dipo nivastasto
yatadipu nivastastu
yata dipo nivatasto
yatadipu nivatastu
ningate sopamasmrita
ningati supama smrita
yogino yata chittasya
yogina yata chitasya
yunjato yogam atmanaha
yanjatu yogam atmanaha yatadipu nivatastu
yata dipo nivatasto
ningati supama smrita
ningate sopamasmrita
yogino yata chitasya
yogino yata chittasya
yanjatu yogam atmanaha
yunjato yogam atmanaha yatha
as
as dipaha alan
ipa alam
nivatastaha
batista in a place
a
without
place without wind na does not
does not
ingate weber
ingati weber
sa this
is
upama
upama
comparison
yeah comparison
smrita
is considered
is considered yoginaha
yoginaha of the yogi
of the yogi yata chittasya
yata chitasya
whose mind is controlled yunjataha
Yataha
constantly
constantly
engaged
engaged.
yogam
Yogam in
meditation
meditation
atmanaha on transcendence.
on in transcendence.
Translation and Prabhupada by His Divine Grace, Adhicharya Ravindra Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. As a lamp in a windless place does not waver, so the transcendentalist whose mind is controlled remains always steady in his meditation on the transcendent self. As a lamp in a windless place does not waver, so the transcendentalist whose mind is controlled remain always steady in his meditation on the transcendent self. Purport. Oh, that is
Very short.
very short. A truly Krishna conscious person always absorbed in transcendence.
Transcendence.
In constant undisturbed meditation on his versatile Lord. Is as steady as a lamp in a windless place.
In a windless place.
Yeah, so in lamp in the traditional way, we not use there was no electric lamp, right? There is no like
Only sometimes a candle.
yeah, candle something like that, right? Directly from fire. So when there is no wind, then this
There's no
steady,
waver.
like it's not even moving.
Steady.
So like the one who is already truly Krishna conscious, they are like that.
Compared to a focus. We can say focus.
This is not. It's not here. Then. We are now still not focused. This and that. But one who is already truly Krishna conscious is focused. Okay, we can also read from Viti. From,
From 20.
from this one. Yeah, this one.
Yes.
This is from Srimad Bhagavatam. A yogi should meditate on the most benevolent smile of Lord Sri Hari. A yogi should meditate on the most benevolent smile of Lord Sri Hari. A smile which, for all those who bow to him, dries away the oceans of tears caused by intense grief. He should also meditate on his arched eyebrows,
Eyebrows.
which are manifested by his internal potency in order to charm the sex god for the good of the sex. Purport. It is stated in this verse that the charming eyebrows of Lord are so fascinating that they cause one to forget the charms of sense. The conditioned souls are shackled to material existence because they are captivated by the charms of sense gratification, especially sex life. The charming brows of the personality of Godhead protect the sages and devotees from being charmed by material lust and sexual culture. Okay. So this is quoted from Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam,
Yeah. Srimad Bhagavatam.
third canto,
32.
chapter 28,
32.
text 32.
Until 32.
So here is meditate. Yogi should meditate on the benevolent smile of Lord Sri Hari, and also, what is here? The eyebrows, the charming
Eyebrows.
of the personality of Godhead, in order to deal with it. Also, we can also, from Sarah and Anthony here, also very short. This example illustrated the perfect stage of yoga. As a flame in a windless place does not waver, so the mind of a yogi in samadhi is perfectly steady. Nothing can disturb.
Completely restrained from material and mental activities.
Yeah, so we can read the 20 and till 23 also. Yeah, because we still have time.
20.
20 to 23. I just read, or if you want to read also later, I will
20.
read finish and then you can also read.
Yatra.
Yatro paramate chitam nirudam yoga sevaya. Yatra chaivatmanatmanam pasyanatmani tushyati. Shukam atyantikam yatat buddhi grahyam atindriyam. Veti yatra na chaivayam sitas chalati tatvata. Yang labdhva cha parang labham manyate nadikam tata. Yasmin sito na dukena guru napi vichalvati. Tang vidyadhu kasam yoga yogang yoga samyutam. I make it bigger. Ay.
She will be very small.
Wait. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Yatru pamati chitam
Paramate chitam
nirodam yoga sivaya.
nirudam yoga sevaya.
Yatra chaibat manatmanam
Yatra chaivatmanatmanam
pasyan atmani tusyati.
asyan atmani tushyati.
Sukham achantikam yatad
Samatyantikam yatat
buddhi grayam atindriyam.
buddhi grahyam atindriyam.
Biti yatra na chaibalyam.
Yati yatra na chaivayam.
Chitas chalati tatbataha.
Sitas chalati tatvataha.
Bata yang Labda, chaparam labam,
Yang labda param lab
chaparam labam, manyati nadhikam tataha,
manyate nadikam tataha.
yasmin situ dukina,
Yasmin sito nadukena
guru napi bikalyati,
guru napi vichal yate. Another two lines.
tambidya dukha samyuga,
Vidya dukkha samyoga.
biyugam yuga samnitam,
Yoga yoga samyitam.
yatra.
In that stage of affair
Is the
where
state of affairs where
uparamate
paramati
cheese
cease
become
because one feels a transcendental happiness.
chitam
Chitam are mental activities,
nerudam
Nirodham being
restrained
restrained
from matter.
from matter.
Yoga sevaya
Vaya by performance of yoga.
by performance of yoga.
Yatra,
Yatra in which
yatra in which cha
also eva
eva
certainly.
certainly. Atmana
Atma by the pure
by
mind.
the pure mind.
Atmanam
Atmanam the self.
of passion
Passion realizing the
realizing
position
possession
of
Atmani
Atmani in
to
the
self.
self.
Pishyati
Sushati one becomes
becomes
satisfied.
satisfied. Sukam
Become happiness.
antya at atyantikam
Atyantikam supreme.
prem. Yat which
Yat which
yat that
that
buddhi
what do you buy?
the intelligent.
Intelligence.
Grahyam
Grahyam accessible.
accessible. Atindriyam
Atindriyam transcendental.
transcendental. Veti
Bhakti one
one
knows.
knows. Yatra wherein.
Yatra we're in. No,
Na
no,
never.
never.
Cha
Cha also.
also. Eva
Eva certainly.
certainly. Ayam
I am here.
he. Stitaha
Situated.
chalati
Chalati moves.
moves. Tatvataha
Chatpataha from the truth.
from the truth. Yam
Yam that fits.
that which. Labdva
Labha
by
by attainment.
cha
Cha also.
also. Aparam
Aparam any
any
other.
other. Labham
Labham gain.
again.
Manyati
Consider.
considers.
Na never.
Never.
Adikam
Adikam more.
tataha
Taha
that
than the that.
Yasmin
Yasmin in which
sitaha
Sitaha being
being
situated.
na
Never.
dukena
Lukina
by
by miseries.
kuruna api
Gurana api even though
into
very difficult.
very difficult. Vichalyate
Vichalyati becomes shaken.
Tam that
And that
Vidyat you must know.
you must know. Dukkha
Samyoga
samyoga,
of the miseries of material
the
contact.
miseries of natural contact.
Vyogam
The
extermination.
discrimination.
Yoga samjitam
Samjitam,
called trance in yoga.
yeah, trance in yoga.
I will read translation. In the stage of perfection called trance or samadhi, one mind is completely restrained from material mental activities. Restrained from material mental activities. Material mental activities. Mean there is also mental activities which is not material. Restrained from material mental activities by practice of yoga. This perfection is characterized by one's ability to see the self by the pure mind and to realize and rejoice in the self. In that joyous state, one is situated in boundless transcendental happiness, realized through transcendental senses. Established thus, one never depart from the truth. And upon gaining this, they think there is no greater gain. Being situated in such a position, one is never second. even in periods of greatest difficulty. This indeed is actual freedom from all miseries arising from material. So here is mentioned that we're, when one already in the samadhi or in trance,
Samadhi.
they
Yeah.
already restrained from material mental activities.
Yeah.
There is, it means that not killing the mental activities, but killing the material mental activities. So we focus on, on the supreme, on the self. So that's why. Anyhow, well, it's by practice of yoga, one becomes gradually detached from material concepts. Hmm. This is the primary characteristic of the yoga principle. And after this, one becomes situated in trance or samadhi, which means that the yogi realizes the super soul through transcendental mind and intelligence. Hmm. So
Yeah.
mind and intelligence also can become transcendental without any of the misgiving of identifying self with the super self. Hmm. Without any misgiving of identifying the self with the super self. Hmm. Not not under, misunderstandingly
With the
taking
super self.
taking self with the super self. Super self is Krishna or Paramatma
Yes. Yes.
or a super soul. Yoga practice is more or less based on the principles of Patanjali system. Hmm.
Patanjali
Hmm.
system.
Some unauthorized commentators try to identify the individual soul with the super soul. Hmm. And the monists think this to be liberation. Hmm. Some unauthorized
Yeah.
commentators try to identify the individual soul with the super soul. They misled that.
Yeah.
But they do not understand the real purpose of Patanjali system of yoga. There is an acceptance of transcendental pleasure in the Patanjali system. But the monists do not accept this transcendental pleasure out of fear of jeopardizing the theory of oneness. Hmm. Yeah. The duality of knowledge and knower is not accepted by the non-dualists. The duality of knowledge and knower is not accepted by the non-dualists, Mayavadi. But in this verse, transcendental pleasure, realized through transcendental senses, is accepted. But in this verse, transcendental pleasure, realized through transcendental senses, is accepted. Means that we are experiencing something, pleasure, transcendental pleasure. And this is corroborated by Patanjali Muni, the famous exponent of the yoga system. The great sage declares in his Yoga Sutra 434, Purusartha sunyanam gunanam pratipa prasavaha
Kaibalya.
ayam sarupa
Sarura. Pratista.
pratista va chiti
Prachiti.
sakiriti.
Saktir.
This chiti sakti or internal potency is transcendental. Purusartha means material religiosity, economic development, sense gratification, and at the end, attempt to become with the ones with the Supreme. This is Purusartha. Material purpose, the purpose, yeah, something that we want to gain by the in the life of human being. Purushartha. Yeah. One
Yeah.
want to perform certain religiosity, also the economic development, sense gratification, and finally about attempt to become one with the Supreme. This oneness with the Supreme is called Kaivalya by the Monists.
Kaibalya.
Monists, you understand Monists, right?
Monis.
Monists who is this one who think that actually there is no difference between self and super self. The
Yeah.
same. They say after liberation we will become God. Something like that.
Yeah.
So that is Monists. But according to Patanjali, this Kaivalyam is an internal. But according to Patanjali, this Kaivalyam is an internal or transcendental. potency by which the living entity becomes aware of his conditional position. It's not really killing the identity. It's not killing the identity of the soul or the self, but become aware of his constitutional position. In the words of Lord Chaitanya, this state of affair is called Ceto Darpana Marjana. Ceto Darpana Marjana. Or the
Ceto
clearance of the
Darpana
impure
Marjana.
mirror of the mind.
Impure
Or
mirror.
clearance of the impure mirror of the mind. This clearance is actually liberation.
Baba Maha Dabagni.
Or Bhava Maha Davakni Nirvapana.
Nibapanam.
The theory of Nirvana, also preliminary.
Preliminary.
Preliminary means something that is before, right?
Like a beginning, yeah.
Yeah, beginning. Before that.
Before, yeah.
Also preliminary, correspond with this principle. Nirvana. Yeah.
Nirvana, the peaceful place.
Yeah, Nirvana is over there. Vana is without any material desire.
Yeah.
In the Bhagavatam 2.10.6, this is called Swarupena Vyavastitihi.
Swarupena Vyavastitihi.
The Bhagavad Gita also confirmed the situation in this verse.
Yeah.
After Nirvana or material cessation, Nirvana is actually just material cessation. There is the manifestation of spiritual activities or devotional service to the Lord known as Krishna consciousness. In the Buddhist Nirvana, they say, just sunya or just void, because they don't even accept that actually there is existence of the soul or God. Devotional service to the Lord, known as Krishna consciousness. In the words of the Bhagavatam, Swarupena Vyavastitihi. This is the real life of the living entity. Maya or illusion is the conditions of spiritual life contaminated by material infection. Liberation from this material infection does not mean distractions of the original eternal position of the living entity. Patanjali also accepts this by his word Kaivalyam, Sarupa Pratistava Chitisakti. This Chitisakti or transcendental pleasure is real life.
Real life.
This is confirmed in the Vedanta Sutra 1.1.12 as Ananda Mayogyashat. This natural transcendental pleasure is the ultimate goal of yoga and is easily achieved by executions of devotional service or bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga will be vividly mean clearly, right? Vivid, clear, yeah? Described in the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. In the yoga system, as described in this chapter, there are two kinds of samadhi, called Sampragyata Samadhi and Asampragyata Samadhi. This is very important here.
Asampragyata.
When one becomes situated in the transcendental position by various philosophical research, he is said to have achieved Sampragyata Samadhi. In the Asampragyata Samadhi, there is no longer any connection with mundane pleasure, for one is then transcendental to all sorts of happiness derived from the senses. When the yogi is once situated in the transcendental position, he is never shaken from it. Unless the yogi is able to reach this position, he is unsuccessful. Today's so-called yoga practice, which involves various sense pleasures, is contradictory. Yeah, we can hear that actually nowadays there is beer yoga, naked yoga, and other type.
Yeah.
something they invented. A yogi indulging in sex and intoxication is a mockery. Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, naked yoga or
Naked
beer.
yoga.
Yeah, beer yoga. Yogi indulging in sex and intoxication is a mockery. Even those yogi who are attracted by the siddhis, perfection in this process of
See this,
yoga,
yeah.
are not perfectly situated. If yogis are attracted by the byproducts of yoga, then they cannot attain states of perfection,
Stage of perfection
as is stated in this verse.
in this verse.
Persons,
Verse
therefore, indulging in the makes of
makes
practice
you
of gymnastic fit or siddhis
or see this
should
should
know
know
that the aim
that
of
the
yoga
aim of
is
yoga
lost in
is
that
those
way.
in that. See this, yeah. Anima see this.
Anima
Anima see
siddhi
this.
agima lalat.
Lagima see this. That is floating in the air and walking in the water.
Yeah, the
That
best
sign of
practice of yoga in this
this
is
is
Krishna consciousness, which is not baffling.
bhakti yoga. I think that is.
Yeah. A Krishna conscious person is so happy in his occupation that he does not aspire after any other happiness. There are many impediments, especially in the age of hypocrisy,
Hypocrisy.
to practicing Hatha Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. But there is no such problem in executing Karma Yoga or Bhakti Yoga.
What is Hatha yoga, Prabhu?
Hatha Yoga, yeah, it's like that, performing asanas and everything. Similar to Astanga Yoga.
Sangha yoga.
Astanga.
How about the jhana yoga? That is the one that we practice. Jhana.
Jnana Yoga mean we try to understand
Yeah.
our relationship with Krishna by knowledge.
The Paramatma.
Yeah, with
And Jnana
by
yoga.
speculation. It's by mental speculation.
Yeah. And that is speculation.
And when one understands that we are not this body,
Karma yoga or bhakti yoga.
we are spirit soul. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what
Jnana.
karma. Karma,
But a
this
person
means
who
work.
is but a person who is in pure bhakti yoga or Krishna consciousness does not arouse the senses while meeting the demands of the body. Rather, he accepts the bare necessities of life, making the best use of a bad bargain. This one is very frequently mentioned by the Prabhupada. Bad use of a bad bargain. We have come here to this material world which is full of suffering, but somehow or other, now we are already in the human form of life, so we have to use it in the proper way that we can get out from here.
Bad bargain.
And enjoy transcendental happiness.
Yeah.
He is called callous toward incidental occurrence, such as accident, disease, persecution, and even death of the most dear relative. But he is always alert to execute his duties in Krishna consciousness or Bhakti Yoga. Accident never deviate him from his duty. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita 2:14. Agama pa yinonityas tam kritikshasva bharata. He endures all such incidental occurrences because he knows that they come and go and do not affect his duties. In this way, he achieved the highest perfections in yoga practice. So quite long, and we also want to read from here. Oh, quite long, yeah. Anyhow, we still have time. Every one of us is searching for happiness, but we do not know what real happiness is. Yeah, we are searching, but we don't know what we are searching yet. Real happiness is described by Lord Krishna to Arjuna. We feel happiness through our senses. Inanimate things cannot feel happiness or distress. Developed consciousness feel happiness and distress more than undeveloped consciousness. The trees also have consciousness, but not developed consciousness. Trees are standing on the roadside, but they have no sense of feeling. Now, suppose a human being is asked to stand like a tree for at least 3 days. It will be impossible for him because he cannot tolerate this sort of misery. Therefore, The conclusion is that every living entity
Mamaya na ito, mamaya na.
pleasures and
Walang
happiness
2 piso.
according to developed consciousness of this being. Similarly, the happiness which we are feeling now in the material mixture is not real.
Yeah.
If you ask a tree, are you feeling happy?
Yeah.
The tree will say, yes, I am feeling happy. Standing here the whole year.
Yes.
And the wind and snowfall, I enjoy very much. So that sort of happiness, the tree may enjoy, but you are a human being and you cannot endure
Yeah.
that level of enjoyment. But the highest standard of happiness is described. Sukham atyan tikam yatat buddhi grahyam atindriyam. Buddhi grahyam atindriyam, buddhi means intelligent. One has to be intelligent. If you want to enjoy life, then you must use your intelligence. The animals do not have human intelligence, therefore they cannot enjoy life as humans can. So here in the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that buddhi grahyam atindriyam. Atindriyam. Take the example of a dead man. The senses, the hand, the nose, the sense organs, and everything are there, but now he cannot enjoy.
He cannot enjoy them.
The dead body cannot enjoy anything. Enjoyment requires intelligence. That means that enjoying energy, the spiritual spark, has gone away and it has no power to enjoy. The dead body cannot enjoy anything. If a man is offered a dead body of a beautiful woman, will he accept? Or a woman is offered to the dead body of a beautiful woman, will she accept? No. Because that enjoying spark is no longer
there.
No longer there.
Yeah, gone already.
That requires intelligence. The spirit can enjoy, but not this body.
The spirit can enjoy, but not this body. That is a material body, of course, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Nonsense already. All we enjoy is because of our spiritual body. Nothing more.
The whole process. The whole process is to concentrate upon the Vishnu Murti or the Vishnu form within the heart. And unless there is pleasure, there is no enjoyment. What is the use of controlling the senses and focusing the mind on the Supreme within the heart? What sort of pleasure is this? The pleasure is ananta. Ananta means endless. Yoginaha ramante. Yoginaha anante. Anante means that pleasure is not endless. Why has it not ended? The living spirit is eternal. The Lord is eternal, and their exchange of loving feelings are also eternal. So one who is intelligent should refrain from sensual enjoyment. Of this material body, which is flickering and temporary, and should seek the eternal enjoyment of the spiritual life. That is called Rasalila. You have heard about Lord Krishna Rasalila. That is not an ordinary exchange of the feeling of this material body, but an exchange of feelings with the spiritual body. Yeah. Guru Napi Dukena Navichalyate. He is not disturbed. Here is a story from my personal life. In 1942, there was a heavy bombing in Calcutta. Following 1 or 2 air raids, all the population was vacated. Calcutta was a deserted city. Somehow or other, I had to remain in the city on December
1942. Second World War.
1942. I remember there was heavy rain. But fortunately, we stayed perplexed. Someone thought it was fireworks, so let us enjoy.
Fireworks only.
What can be done? There are many dangers in our life because life is full of danger. Because we are foolish, we are trying to change this thing. That is our foolishness. Just like in a railway carriage, if you are traveling in a crowded train, instead of trying to change the situation, just tolerate it for a few hours until you reach the destination. Yeah, last time in 2018, I was traveling from what is that name?
From
Krishnanagar to Calcutta. It was very packed. The train, a lot of people, and like packed, like a jam, like many people, so much people. One, like like they, very packed of people, and then
yeah.
even very difficult to breathe.
You are cheating yourself.
Yeah. Similarly, we may have many dangerous even in this material life, but if we are preparing ourselves for going back to Krishna in Krishna consciousness, then this thing will not upset us. Let them happen. Agama payina anityastang titiksasva parat. They will come and go. Let them. The bombing was not forever, but for few hours
Few hours.
or few
Only.
days. We have to adjust, and it is very difficult to adjust. But one
Yeah.
who is situated in Krishna consciousness is not disturbed.
It's not disturbed. Yeah.
So it's from Srila Prabhupada experience.
Yeah.
And from surrender unto me, let's read. Not so long. And then after this, we can. These verses describe the experience of perfect yogi who has attained the Brahman platform. His fixed, fixedness,
Similar to that.
fixedness is similar to that the
Sthita
Sthita
Prajna.
Pragya described earlier, starting from with Bhagavad Gita 254.
Devotee.
Wait. What is this?
Yeah.
I guess it's coming to.
Two.
Wait.
First those.
Six, six, what is it? 20, 19, 23,
19.
23, 23. Okay, good. A devotee also experiences such steadiness, but his means to achieve samadhi is easier. But his means to achieve samadhi is easier.
Samadhi.
But his means to achieve samadhi is easier. Srila Prabhupada confirmed this at the end of his book. The best practice of yoga in the stage of Krishna is Krishna consciousness, which is not babbling. A Krishna conscious person is so happy in his occupation that he does not aspire after any other happiness. There are many impediments, especially in the stage of hypocrisy, to practicing Hatha Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. But there is no such problem in accepting Karma Yoga or Bhakti. So, okay.
Bhakti Yoga.
In text 24, 25, Krishna prescribed the methods to attain Yoga Ruda.
Yoga Ruda.
Yeah. Okay, I think now we can stop here, and then
Yeah, Prabhu, thank you.
I hope tomorrow maybe also we can have, but maybe tomorrow will be at 8:15.
Yeah. Can I invite my sister to
Yeah.
go if she agree? Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Sure.
very much, Prabhu.
Yeah. She have WhatsApp also not?
I will
Yeah. Please
I will tell
add.
her to WhatsApp and Zoom.
Yeah. Okay.
To download.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Take care, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada.